You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. A name from French, meaning loved or the loved one. In French it's said as Aimee, and it has an accent on the first E, Aimee. In English it's usually pronounced as Aimee, A-me, Aimee. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.